Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is Everything is Tech here, and in this video we're going to be looking at the unboxing and first impressions of the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So the first question is, what does this microphone actually allow you to do? You can basically connect this microphone to any video camera or DSLR camera that has a 3.5mm jack input. Once you connect it, it basically allows you to have much better and clear audio, and we'll actually look at a couple of sample clips in this video. The microphone is also advertised to be compact and multi-directional, which basically means you can take it with you wherever you go, and since it records audio from all different directions, it allows you to have much more smoother audio. Taking a look at the box, again, it's really small, so that kind of actually gives you a good idea for how small and compact the actual microphone is. And once you've unboxed the microphone, you'll see that it comes with a battery, a USB cable which allows you to charge the microphone, the audio input, the microphone itself, and then a quick start guide. So my first impressions on the microphone is that it's definitely compact, it's small. I definitely don't have any concerns of being able to take it with me on trips or keeping it in my camera bag. It'll fit really well. In terms of the build quality, it seems really nice. I don't have any complaints thus far. And it mounts onto my cameras, my 5D Mark II really well. But now the real question is, how well does the microphone actually perform? Before we actually move on into the audio samples, I want to admit that I've actually been using the Rode microphone to film this whole video, so that probably gives you a whole idea of how the microphone is performing. I'm sure my audio is really clear and whatnot, but let's go ahead and take a look at my 5D Mark II internal microphone and see if we can tell a difference. So we've switched over now to the 5D Mark II internal microphone, and you can definitely tell a difference in my audio quality. My voice is not as clear. There's a lot of echo in the background, there's noise in the background that you can hear. And just from this short clip, I'm sure you can tell the big difference the Rode mic actually makes versus an internal microphone on a camera. So now we've switched back to the Rode microphone, and again, I'm sure you could tell the big difference in audio quality. But basically, this was a quick first impressions and unboxing of the Rode microphone. There's a lot more videos I'll be making on this, including a more detailed test with other microphones, internal microphones, iPhones, AirPods, so please stay tuned to that video. And I'll also be having the review of the microphone coming up really soon as well. And if you do want to purchase the microphone, please go down the link below and use my URL. If you purchase from that link, it basically gives me a small commission with no extra cost to you, and that basically helps support the channel. Please also hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. This is Everything is Tech, and hope to see you soon in the next video.